Hi, I'm Conrad from Absolute Dental. Our company is in need of qualified technicians, apprentices, administrative team members, and even managers. If you're a qualified dental technician looking to become part of something truly special, or you are a creative person who has been thinking about a career change, our Absolute family might just be the right fit for you. We have multiple openings for apprenticeships in computer-aided design, guided surgery planning, and clinical chairside assistance, prosthetic contouring, denture fabrication, prosthetic processing, and many more. If you are artistic, creative, and love working with your hands, a career in dental technology will keep those creative juices flowing, all while earning a very competitive salary. At Absolute, you will work with some of the most talented technicians in the industry, all willing to share what they have learned throughout their careers. These apprenticeships come with aggressive starting salaries, and we offer very competitive wage packages with full benefits including 401k, medical insurance, paid vacation, and so much more. If you're a dental technician looking to further your career and want to work with some of the most advanced technologies in the world, but still want to be part of a family where people truly care about each other, Absolute is the place for you. We've been in business for almost 3 decades, and I'm so proud to say that more than half of our people have been with us between 5 and 20 years. We're located in the beautiful Chapel Hill, Durham region of North Carolina. So whether you are looking to build a new and exciting career as a dental technician or want to become part of our Absolute family as an already qualified technician, I invite you to reach out to us at absolutedentallab.com. We're excited to have you part of our family.